So once you've got that position, then you just mark it.
Fine. Oh, this one. Yes, that's great.
You decided to take another.
Okay, so acromiale, two thumbs either side of the arm of the body, palpate right along to the edge here, and it's the point at which your thumb goes in a downward position. Okay, which is here. Once you've got that, put your mark on. Once you've actually put the mark on, it's always a good idea to go back and check it again.
Disappears. Maybe it's not.
Maybe if you just touch it.
It's actually determined, and you've got your mark there. Yeah. The next one is the radiale, and if the child puts his hand at a 90-degree angle with the palm facing upwards, okay, so the radiale is actually located in this indentation here. Yeah. So right there. Yeah. So if you first of all establish where that is, and ask the subject to bend their arm, okay, and then down again, and then up. And there's a measurement there. Okay, take it down, check it again, back up and down. Perfect. Okay, so as I've now established where the acromiale is and the radiale. Yeah. So the idea now is to measure the distance from there to there, take the midpoint of that, and then project that point to the triceps area and the biceps area. Yeah? And I'll use my own tape if you don't mind. Okay. So the distance from the acromiale to the radiale is 31 centimetres, halfway point 15.5, which is there. Okay. Sorry, Madeira's. You're good. Okay, so once we've got this point, you can use your measuring tape. As I say, project this point to here and round the back. Yeah? Okay, it's probably better actually, we can use your tapes, actually to put it round there and get someone to mark it off with someone holding it. Yeah? It should be mentioned that there should be two of you doing this. You know, because there are measurements that you can't see, and it's always a good idea to have someone else with you to make sure that the tape, you know, parallel to the floor when that's necessary. So, midpoint, project it to the back. So,
too late.
Wir kommen mal rein. Lass mal vorhin gleich mal.
Ja. Ja.
Guten Morgen.
One, he's your replacement.
okay. So, now we've got the midpoint, we've projected that point to both the biceps and the triceps area. So you turn around one, please. Okay, so you can see this point here. So what we're going to do is actually to transverse that particular line so we know where to take the skinfold from. So what we're looking for here, if you just turn it to the side, is the midpoint of the arrow. Okay? So once you've established where that is, draw your cross. Yeah? Okay, that's not great, but you get the idea. Okay, so that's that. Then round the front and do exactly the same for the biceps here. So the subject to turn their hands to you. So again, in the midpoint of the arm. Okay. So there we go. What we've done now is landmark the biceps and the triceps. Okay? Yeah? Everybody happy with this? Any questions so far? No. Okay. Right, so the next one is the subscapular. And you can see that the scapula actually protrudes at the back here. Yeah? If you're having any difficulty in establishing where that is, then you can ask the subject to put their hand behind their back, and you can see that that is now protruding right out now. So what you're looking for is the base of the scapula and at the point at which it turns up. So if you just relax again, one. And back again. Back. Okay, and it's there. Yeah? So once you've got that point, put your spot on the point at which the scapula starts turning up. Yeah? So at this juncture, again what you do is you form a right angle.
And John, I think it's quite common that the children, when we measure them, they stand like this, and you don't notice it at once.
Yeah.
And then when you're finished in the back, they, and then the landmark is moved.